Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to see keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open the DaVinci app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, open a recent project or just create a new one. Now your editing timeline will be displayed. Here, go to the Inspector tab at top right corner of your screen and a bunch of features will appear. If you can't see them, simply click on the inspector icon and the menu will open up. Now, I will add some keyframes to the base video. To add a keyframe, you just need to click on the diamond icon beside the respective feature. Once you are done adding keyframes, you need to make sure that the timeline view is set to thumbnail. After that, click on this keyframe icon at the right side of the base video and all of the added keyframes will be displayed. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.